Guys, welcome back. Markets in 3 minutes, and we have three interesting currency pairs as we think today's news might determine how markets move. First of all, the pound US dollar currency pair. The market has been on the weaker side of things. Currently, we can observe that the pound was trading lower. It kind of faded off the technical resistance area, and we might see the market continuously moving to the downside as the pressure might intensify. The CPI data was recently weaker. We see that the interest rate cut as expected, 25 basis points, might cause the market to weaken. And third, we see the US dollar strength causing downside motivation, and with that we might see that the currency pair is heading towards, based on the daily chart, heading towards the 50 moving average. Next one up, we have interesting moves as well in regards to technology stocks, right? We see that stock markets in general have not really started to resume with their further upside momentum. Recent issues in regards to the upside, Nvidia moving down, Oracle going lower, all AI-related kind of companies are basically causing a bit of a downshift in markets, and that's what we can see not only in the NASDAQ, but also in the S&P 500. Let's focus on the NASDAQ for a moment, because the market has been not able to rise again further yet. Longer term monthly charts might suggest upside, but that might only intensify above the 26,300 level. On shorter term markets, the markets have been trading on the lower end. And we can see here, we are trading well below, that's the daily chart, the 50 moving average, indicating that the market with a bit of a retracement slightly higher for the day, pushing to the downside, ready to potentially move towards the 24,300 or whatever level here we observe in the chart. So downside motivation kind of causing some further vulnerability. And if we are looking into the broader based economy, what we see, the growth in markets seems not to be the case, but instead we can observe currently that the market motivation and the market sentiment remains distorted. It's not a growth story, it's more like a how can we boost efficiency in markets. Further and quick one is oil. Oil prices have been falling, and we've been talking about this quite a while ago already. And just let's do some basic charting analysis. We've seen that the market kind of broke the technical support level already quite a while ago and is currently in a bit of a retracement mode. Maybe the market rises to the upside, maybe the market rises all the way towards the 50 moving average, but currently it looks like that we continue to fall to the downside and basically follow up with what we've seen in the past, downside motivation here, and that gives us the long-term market motivation here towards our first target here. That's 45, next one up 15, and the last one up here at 330. Let's observe how the markets go. It doesn't really all look really good right now. Instead, markets look really shaky. Stay tuned. See you then. Take care, guys.